Okay, today we're going to take this big bore 116 cubic inch kit for a ride. Indian Motorcycle of Springfield. We just installed this in a 2018 Chieftain Dark Horse. See how this bike runs. Oh yeah, she sounds a lot different. Got a nice lope to those cams, stage 3 cams. Nice bike. An open road, let's let this thing rip. See what she's got. Nice idle when she comes down, a little potato there. Big bore kit, 116 cubic inch, Indian Motorcycle Springfield, Performance Headquarters. We have these kits in stock. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. Got some warm weather up here, so I was able to take this bike out. Oh yeah, this is a hot rod. Come and get yours. It's going to be a fun 2018 Indian Motorcycle Springfield.